Welcome to AuditHaven with me, Maryam Waheed. Sending out bank confirmation request letters and reviewing the responses received against them is the most important procedure which is used to verify bank balances. Alternatively, bank statements can also be verified in cases where the bank balances are not very significant and there are issues in receiving the responses to the bank confirmations. In this video, I will be discussing common errors that team members make while reviewing bank confirmation responses and inspecting bank statements. So, this video does not cover the process of sending out bank confirmation letters and the process of maintaining control over them. The first type of errors that team members often make is mistaking journal ledgers for bank statements. When team members request the clients to provide them with bank statements of certain accounts, those bank statements are provided in files where there are certain other documents as well, which can include journal ledgers or some sort of transaction receipts, etc. When you're looking at the first page of that document without realizing that it is a bank ledger or it is a bank statement, a mistake can be made that you're basically verifying the balance as per the trial balance with the balance as per the journal ledger, which are basically both the same things. So, this is not a proper verification procedure, and you will end up not being able to identify any material or even non material reconciling items that there could be. So basically, if you make this error, you will not be able to identify any sort of references in the bank balances. The next type of error is skipping details. So it happens that when team members open bank statements, they would just rush to verifying the balance given in the bank statement, and they would often ignore important details such as the bank's logo, bank's name, the name of the company to which the bank statement relates, the period of the bank statement. This can be very risky. I will give you an example. If there is a certain bank balance that you're looking to verify, you go to the bank balance given in the bank statement and you match both and you find that it's okay, it's a material balance, everything matches, that's fine. But then when you scroll to the top of the bank statement, you notice that the name of the company which is mentioned there is actually not your audit line. It's actually a related party of the audit line. So this is a tricky situation. What is happening here is that management has recorded certain bank balance on its financial statements, which it does not hold in its own bank account. It is held in a bank account of a related party. Moving on, another common error is not verifying completeness when looking at the bank information responses. So often it happens that team members focus on verifying the existence, which means that they would focus on matching the balances that they have in the bank listing provided by the management with the bank accounts which have been confirmed by the bank in the bank confirmation response. When you are looking at bank confirmation responses, also verify completeness. See that whatever bank balances have been confirmed in that letter are also appearing in the bank listing or the financial statements. Because if they're not, then it means that there are certain undisclosed bank accounts which have been confirmed by the bank. Finally, another error is missing other information which is confirmed by the banks in their responses. when when dispatching bank confirmation request letters, you would have noticed that a lot of other questions are asked from the bank. For example, covenants, any loans granted to the company, interest, bank guarantees, bank charges, all of those things. So, when you receive the responses to your bank information request letters, read through the whole response to identify other information which has been disclosed by the bank, and then ensure that that information which has been given to you actually corroborates with the information in the financial statements. This will help you in ensuring that there are no undisclosed items which pertain to the bank balances. Another important piece of information that I would like to share with you is that there is no use of matching balance as per bank information with balance as per bank statement because both balances are coming from the bank, and in almost all the cases they would always match. So focus your energies on matching the balances as per the financial statements, balances as per the bank listing which has been provided to you, with the balances as per the bank information or as per the bank statement, because that is the proper way to verify the bank balances. When you open a bank statement or a bank confirmation response, spend some extra minutes to avoid all of these errors and to ensure that you have not missed any important piece of information. So that's all for today's video. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.